How getting home loan pre-approval can boost your buying confidence. In a slowing house market, things can get competitive when you are looking to buy a home. There will be other people interested in the same property as you, and the seller often has a pick of potential buyer. That's why any little advantage is worth exploring to ensure you have the best chance of securing your dream house. One such advantage is getting home loan pre-approval. While it isn't guaranteed that your home loan will be funded, it puts you on the front foot in terms of knowing your budget and being able to act quickly if required. In this article, we will discuss what home loan pre-approval is and how it can give you competitive advantage and do you what do you need to do to apply. What is home loan pre-approval? A home loan pre-approval is simple way to provide you greater confidence when you are house hunting. Quite simply, your lender has has done an assignment of financial institution and has confidently agreed to lend you a certain amount of money to buy property. This will give you such a better idea of how much you can borrow with lender, which which is in turn help you search for property you can afford. The keyword here is confidential. It is not fully approval, as this only occur once a contract of sale is held. Do you need home loan pre-approval? While you can still apply for home loan without a pre-approval, it gives first home buyer a good indicator of how much they can borrow. It can also help you avoid the disappointment of signing a contract on your dream house only to discover that you cannot borrow enough to purchase it. What are the benefits of home loan pre-approval? It gives you a clear idea of budget. As a part of pre-approval process, the lender will help you to figure out how much you can afford to borrow. They can explain how much deposit you will need and what other costs may apply, such as lender mortgage insurance. This can give you the confidence to look at the property in your budget range and save you the time and heartache of looking at properties you cannot able to afford. It allows you to act fast. If you find the property of your dreams, chances are someone else with have spotted it too. If you are not in position to act, there a strong possibility that it will already be sold by the time you get to putting in a house loan application. In a home loan application, pre-approval secured, you will be in the position of making offer immediately. It strengthens your negotiating power. Having a confidential green light from your lender in the form of home loan pre-approval make a strong statement to the seller. It demonstrates that you are serious about the purchase and are more likely to be able to access the fund needed for a smooth sale. This put you in a stronger position than a potential buyer who hasn't yet begun the process. Most of the paperwork is completed upfront. When you find a place want to make an offer on, the last thing you will want to do is scrambling scrambling around looking for pay slip and the like. Then application of pre-approval, you will be asked for supplying documentation related to a financial position early in the process. Having said this, under certain circumstances, your lender may still ask additional question and request updated document like your latest payslip and bank statement before confirming full approval. Pre-approval open up the possibility of buying at auction. Unless unless you are cash buyer, having pre-approval for home loan is vital if you are buying at auction. Without it, you can run the risk of having your bid accepted and then not able being able to fulfill the sale if your post-auction loan application is not approved. While this is still possible with a pre-approval in place, some lenders access pre-approval differently for customer intending to buy at auction to minimize the chance of this happening. For this reason and other, it's worth speaking to your lender if you are planning to buy at auction. It's obligation free. Applying for home loan pre-approval usually does not cost anything. Most lenders, including Southern Bank, does not charge for it, and you are never under any obligation to take out the loan. So, if your circumstances change or you change your mind, you can walk away. Pre-approvals are valid for 90 days, but if you need longer, They can easily be renewed. A word of warning: so going to load of different lender for pre-approval may affect your credit score. But the process of pre-approval of a home loan. Decide on a home loan provider or mortgage broker. Make an appointment with your chosen lender or broker. The lender will ask for a certain financial information such as proof income and any asset or liabilities to be determined the deposit you may require and how much you can afford of borrower to borrow. Submit application for home loan pre-approval. Choose your chosen lender, review your application, submit to it lending and credit assessment criteria. Pre-approval is granted. Find your dream property, make an offer to purchase based on pre-approved down home amount. If the offer is accepted, complete full home loan application, full approval granted, loan funded. Ready to apply for a home loan pre-approval. If you are ready to apply for home loan pre-approval online, check here alternative. If you would prefer to connect with other one of our home loan specialist, first you can do so here.